What is up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. You're tuning in with a Sassy. We're gonna get right into it. Today look is basically very affordable, but yet super wearable for any events like prom or anything like that. I'm starting with this foundation. It's more like a BB cream. It's not really a foundation. This is their new Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veiled, and this is from their new collection Bear With Me. I'll link everything down below, as I mentioned, for you guys to check out. I'm using the shade True Beige Buff, and as you can see, I'm just buffing this into my skin. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and continue using NYX their Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Cash Golden and Vanilla, because one is too light and the other one is way too dark for me as well. And of course, using one of these sponges by Juno&CO to blend that all over my face. I really like these sponges. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys like them, if you tried it or not. Moving on, for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this Off Tropic eyeshadow palette by NYX. It's super pretty, super affordable, and it has a whole bunch of color. You could go for neutral, colorful, and whatnot. Literally, you could create so many different looks with this. But I'm just basically taking the lightest shade, lightest matte shade, and applying it as my transitioning color. As you can see here, I'm just applying that all over my crease. Next, I'm taking a darker shade. I'm gonna try to create a little bit more of a smoky eye because we are going to be applying glitter today. Anyways, I did went with this pink thinking I was gonna, because you guys know I love color, but this did not work out for me. As you can see here, I'm gonna try to go back with that first shade that we started to blend that pink out. You can see my face that I did not like how that was looking, so I just went back and kind of fixed everything out to how it was turning at the beginning. Moving forward, we are going with this beautiful glitter by the House of Glitter. I'll link it down below. They have amazing pigment, amazing glitter, amazing lashes, super affordable as well. This is a chunky glitter, by the way. I love me some chunky glitter. They just look so bomb. They just look so bomb and work, and I feel like they just make your eye pop a little bit better as well. Moving to our lower lashes, you guys. Still continuing using the palette. I'm gonna start with this shade. Now I'm definitely going to be using that pink shade to apply it all over my lower lash. It worked out really well and it looks super pretty with this pink undertone on my lower lashes as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all over and smoke it out. And of course, going in with this huge lashes by the Bold Face Makeup. I love them, but they were really hard to put on. But they look absolutely bomb, you guys. Next, I'm taking the LA Girl Neon Green Liner on my waterline, just applying that a little tiny bit to add more of pop of colors to my look because I just love color. Of course, can I forget to add a little bit of mascara by Benefit. And then we're moving on to bronzer. I did my makeup today like all over the place, but I still love how it turned out. I'm using this Morphe bronzer, which I freaking love. I'm also going in with this blush by BenefitCosmetics. I really love their blushes. They're so pretty and they go so well with my skin tone as well. One of the best highlighter that I have ever tried is this right here. I don't know how to pronounce her name, but I don't know how to pronounce the brand name, but I'll make sure to link it down below because it's absolutely beautiful. It's blinding. You don't need much of it. I did took a little bit way too much, but as you can see, this is worth every single penny. Lips, I'm using this combination with NYX, Urban Decay, and L'Oreal as well. So first thing, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips using this NYX lip liner. I'll leave the shade down below because I cannot remember right now. going in with this L'Oreal lipstick. It's absolutely beautiful and super creamy. And then I'm topping that off with this Urban Decay High Shine Gloss, which I freaking love. It's so cute, so pretty, and it worked out so well with this combination that I did. Also, to set my whole entire face, I went in with this Wet n Wild Coconut Setting Spray, which oh my god, has a nice fragrance and it's so bomb. Also, you guys, I had to share this jewelry from Shein. It's absolutely bomb. They have so many cute earrings. If you ever need jewelry for your prom or anything like that, girl, check Shein. They have bomb stuff. This is not sponsored. This is just my personal opinion. I love them so much. Anyways, you guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. Until next time, I'll see you.